My name is Sarah Clark. I'm British originally, and I'm also now Swiss. I came to Switzerland over 30 years ago. I love Switzerland, and especially the mountains. I haven't always loved hiking. With my family in England, we used to go for some walks from time to time. I was never very keen. Things have changed. So now I love the alpine views, especially I love being above the tree line, and I love the alpine flowers, and I just love sharing it with people.
Sarah is very knowledgeable, especially about flowers. She is super organized and, likes to tell us about the map and answer everybody's questions and answer questions along the way, point out whether it's, sights of the mountains or the flowers. So she does a great job doing that.
Oh, I always carry an umbrella. I'm British. It really is a good shade. That's why an umbrella was invented to start with. It is an absolute guarantee against rain. Yeah, I have a mysterious tube on the side of my rucksack. People wonder whether it's an emergency flare, a rocket, so that I can set off if in an emergency. And actually what I have in my tube usually, I do a lot of drawings on A3 to explain things like marmots or geology and so on, and I roll them up and put them in that little tube. I love hiking with people. I love to interact with different groups, but we all share something in that everybody wants to be there to hike. And so you bring people together from different countries, from different backgrounds, and there's something in common in the group. And you share that as you hike. I enjoy the sharing of what I love in the mountains, but also finding out about different people, interacting with them, hearing from them what they enjoy doing. And then in the evenings, we have dinner together, and it's another social occasion. So nothing better, really.